Hello everyone, my name is Arvind Panda. I am a legal intern in LEXIS and Company for the month of June. And the second topic for today, in which I'm going to talk about, is filmmaking laws in India. So all of us are lean towards this entertainment industry, but do we actually know the laws behind it? So today we will discuss all the rules and regulation and laws that required to make a film in India. So Indian and foreign filmmaker require various kind of permissions and authorization from the Indian government in order to shoot films in various part of the country. Based on the requirement of the script, a structured body like the Film Facilitation Office has been set up by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting in the National Film Development Corporation with a view to promote and facilitate film shooting in India. It act as single window facilitation and clearance mechanism that ease filming in India. There are various kind of permission that are generally required, which are such as location related permission, filming with governmental authorities, filming animals, birds, using drone to shoots, immigration and importing. These are several kind of permission that are required to make a film. So now let us see the offenses and violation to steer clear from by filmmakers while making the exhibiting films in India. Under the present Indian law context, the following need to be heeded by filmmakers so that they are not on the wrong side of the law. So the first is defamation. It is offense under section 499 of Indian Penal Code. The contents of this offense include words spoken or written which are of such nature that they can harm the reputation of a person or any organization, and that such word do not per se have any legal justification or excuse. So no filmmaker can make a film where some person or some organization is being defamed due to the film. The second is obscenity. Morality, obscenity and censorship are precisely codified under the Indian Penal Code as offenses under section 292 and 294 of IPC. So basically, as per the provision of this section, collectively speaking, the sale, letting to hire, distribution, public exhibition, circulation, import, export and advertisings of obscene are prohibited act and are punishable with fine and imprisonment. So a filmmaker, while making a film, must consider all these points before making the film. The third is hate speech. This has been classified as an offence under Indian Penal Code 1860. Section 153A penalize act which promote enmity between different groups on grounds of religion, race, place of birth, residence, language, etc. No filmmaker can harm any such grounds just for the sake of making a film. So the another thing is sedition. Sedition is an offense under section 124A of Indian Penal Code. It is quite similar to defamation and hate speech, but however the prima facie difference to note here is that sedition refers to incitement or hatred against the government. Now, the last is anti-competitive agreement. It is a type of agreement entered between filmmakers and the movie theaters. It is basically an agreement entered into by virtue of an agreement wherein a filmmaker pre-books all the screens of the multiplex theater or a single screen theater, thereby disabling or reducing the exhibition of other films to such an extent they become commercially unsuccessful. This all violation must not be done by any filmmaker before releasing any kind of film. Now, let us see the broad legal principle governing the censorship of film. The public exhibition of film is governed by the Cinematograph Act and the cinematograph rules. There is a statutory body called the Central Board of Film Certification. The broadcast of film or television, including film, songs, promos, music videos and film album, is governed by the Program and Advertising Code, which is prescribed under the Cable Television Network rules that was came in the year 1994. The issue of censorship of film came up before the Supreme Court in 1969 in the case of K.A. Abbas versus Union of India. Over the years, the Supreme Court and High Courts of various states have dealt with issue relating to censorship of films in India. So, as we see that we see film as an entertainment, but before making a film, filmmaker has to pass through a lot of things before releasing a film, and this all are must, because in a country like India we can't make people see anything that is unlawful. So that's all for today's video. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.